photo from an 80s era Hatteras. This is a Hatteras 53. One thing that you need to know about Hatteras boats, at least of this age, is everything is usually 32 volts. That means the bilge pump was 32 volts. This bilge pump was bad. We had to take it out and replace it. And you just don't go to the store and buy another bilge pump, because most of the stores stock 12 volt bilge pumps. This bilge pump is a 32 volt bilge pump, and you can see the mess that we've got on the floor from all of the repair work, but it came out of that bilge there in the galley of this boat. Here on the box, that's better. Now you can see that is 32 volts DC current. So this is a 32 volt bilge pump, and the reason that we had to replace it was it had seized. So I'm going to try to take this apart with one hand. Let me set the camera down. Use two hands. So this pump had actually seized, and inside here, this is the actual impeller. This has seized and frozen in place. So the way to take this out, of course, is you need to disconnect it from this red piece that's screwed into the bottom of the boat. Has these two fingers here on the side. See the two fingers? And then they snap into place. They snap into place like that. You can see and listen. So they snap into place, and that's what holds the bilge pump down in the bottom of the boat in rough weather conditions. Here we've got the wires. You can see it's been patched once before, here and here, and again over here. So whoever owned this boat did some shady electrical work, and we're taking care of that right now. You also will have a float switch involved in this. So as the water goes up, the float rises, turns on the pump. As the pump pumps the water out, the float goes back down and turns off the pump. So if you want to learn more about bilge pumps, this one being a 2,000 gallon per hour bilge pump at 32 volts. If you want to learn more about bilge pumps and other systems aboard your boat, ask Captain Chris.